Hey everyone, I'm Jess and welcome to this series Taste Test with Jess. Today we are going to be talking about Easy Pale Ale. At Stone & Wood, it's no secret that we love Australian hops. Aussie hops are super tropical, fruity in flavour and aroma. So think passion fruit, peach, guava, pineapple, and we really love celebrating and making the most of Australian agriculture. Showcasing these Aussie hops, there's really no better style than to use a pale ale. We partner with HPA, Hop Products Australia, and they are basically the producers of Galaxy Hop. That's the single hop that we use in Pacific Ale. Over the years since Stone & Wood started, and as did HPA, we've really grown together as businesses, really pushing the boundaries, exploring new hop varietals, and playing around with different flavors and aroma. Easy Pale is a mid-strength Aussie pale ale, and it's full-flavored, so you get all the delicious flavor and aroma, but at a nice, manageable, low ABV. Let's crack into this. As you can see, the can is a beautiful blue hue, makes me think of easy days in the afternoon, nice relaxing arvos. Looking at the beer in glass, you can see it's beautifully clear. In the beer industry, we call that bright. It's got a huge bouquet of tropical fruit aromas, mango, guava, and mandarin. And the flavor is really well balanced. So you have a little bit of that backbone of the paler malt coming through, layered with that fruit on top, and the mouthfeel is really nice for a mid-strength beer. It's a little bit above medium-bodied. The bitterness is super low, and it does have that crisp, refreshing finish. So, as I said, this beer showcases Australian hops. We've used Eclipse and Vic Secret in this beer. It's on an ale base, so it took around 2.5 weeks to finish the beer. We've also added some regen malt into this beer as well, which we're super pumped about. And for food pairings, this beer pairs really well with Australia's abundant seafood. So think fresh prawns, oysters, grilled fish. It also pairs really well with grilled chicken. And specifically as well, this beer, because it has that little bit more of depth and complexity to it, it'll stand up really nicely to zesty Mexican foods, for example. I think my favorite thing about this beer is that I can have a 3.5% beer but not make any compromises on flavor or mouthfeel. So full flavored, beautiful mouthfeel, beautiful body. Next time you're reaching for a mid-strength, this is the easy choice. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!